This is my review of Traffic Transformer. I just thought I needed to say it that way. Some of these things have cool names and they're very creative. It's one of the things I love about shiny objects, and that's what I'm thinking this is. So this is a review of Traffic Transformer from the vendor Chris X. Just a side note, if you want to find out about some funnel training that can help any online business, go to 𝐸2AnyDoor.com. In this review, I'm going to look at the sales page really quick. We're going to go in and actually see the online software itself, and with a very short demo, and conclude with what I think and why. I mean, basically, I'm thinking shiny object kind of a thing, really. It's just what it feels like. All right, so let's look at this sales page and see what the main, what's the main driving force here? What are we going to learn here? So Traffic Transformer, new app transforms billion-dollar content into, I wonder what the billion-dollar content is. And $487 a day commissions. That sounds great, of course. Beginner friendly, 100%. Buyer traffic in seconds. And it says transform other people's content into your free traffic in 4 clicks. That's interesting, right? So, you're going to transform other people's content into your free traffic. And here we go. It says you get 100% free traffic fast, make 100% commissions fast, monetize any website, be an instant super affiliate, 100% cloud-based, 0 hosting or domain, 0 tech skills. That all sounds really good, maybe too good. And here you can buy it really cheap. I haven't seen the price change yet, but it says that it jumps every hour. And they're showing, wow, look at the traffic. But, like traffic to what? To the little campaigns and stuff? It already said you don't have to have your own website or any of that kind of stuff. Their own example here, it goes up and then it crashes. And so why does it crash if it was going so well? I'm just stating the obvious of what I see when I'm looking at a sales page, because I want to know, what does it make me think and feel? Because that's what sales pages are about, right? A lot of times they're about emotion. Dear struggling affiliate. Oh, I'm a struggling affiliate. I wish I could learn how to make money online. Thankfully, I've been learning. In the description of the video, further below, I talk about a website you can go to if you want some free training. That's actually really good, solid stuff. And I know that there's a lot of different business models out here. Ultimately, you got to find one that works for you or that you might like. But the one thing that is consistent is a lot of the stuff out here is like sell, sell, sell to make money. But the people making money are the ones that are selling shiny objects and applications that work sometimes, or partly work, or maybe they just never really work. Maybe what they sell is a dream sometimes. So right here it says you get started in 3 steps. You copy and paste. It says you go find a website, article or link, and plug it into Transformer. And it says that they're going to show you how. And then you monetize. It says you can use ClickBank or JVZoo or WarriorPlus offers. Auto create unlimited e-commerce products for any niche in seconds. Done for you software. You an instant software store. I guess it creates an instant software store. I don't know. Or just send traffic to any website or affiliate link you like. Daily free traffic, 3x monetization apps built in, works any niche forever, transforms yourself to profits and free traffic. So free traffic, transformer apps, 3x daily affiliate monetization apps, promote ClickBank, WarriorPlus, JVZoo affiliate programs every day with these cloud-based apps, redirect your traffic to over 3,000 affiliate links, or ... I don't know. Built-in e-commerce product creator app. And it says here that you can create unlimited commerce products, 20 seconds, any niche. Instant software store in a box. I mean, some of this stuff sounds pretty cool. I'm going to show you in the demo in just a moment. I mean, I don't really see this as the problem. And maybe I'm just not looking right. And you tell me after you see it for yourself. So it says that this is an all-in-one solution for making full-time commissions. Now, I can tell you in the past, I've tried apps that are similar or sound very similar to this, where all you do is you get the app, you provide your affiliate ID and information, and then it's supposed to create traffic and these pages, and you can even select what you want to be the thing you're offering or wanting people to look at. But I never made any money like that. I mean, in my ClickBank account, I never really saw any traffic from any apps I used like this before either. And maybe I just didn't know how to use the app. The feeling I get is I'm supposed to be able to get the training from here because they have step-by-step training right here. I can be new at this and a beginner, and I should be able to just use it. I don't think the vendor makes their money from this. Well, let me rephrase that. I think they make their money from this app, but I don't think they make the money using the app. Maybe I could say it that way. So here's kind of a snapshot of stuff they've been selling. What do you think they make their money from? From all these apps that make so much money, or from selling the apps that make the money? And for me, just because I could sell something and make money from it doesn't make it right. Like if I don't believe in an app, if I don't trust an app, I'm not going to promote it and give it to somebody else or recommend it. And so here we are in the dashboard, and in the dashboard, you click dashboard, it takes you right here, and we see campaigns, leads, accounts, promote, training video, and help center. So let's look at the training. All right, I'm clicking on the training. Do you see what I see? Nothing's happening. I don't see any training. Maybe the training comes if you purchase the product. I'm just reviewing it, and I click training, and nothing shows up. So I mean, I don't know about step-by-step training. All right, so let's just see if we can finagle some of this. So done for you. I click on done for you. It looks like you have a max, but I don't completely understand because it says 6 out of 5. And somehow I think it's allowing 7. And so you click done for you campaign. You give it a name. If you wanted to sort through them, you could select a niche, but I'm just gonna come down and pick something. We'll do this. We'll say select. It says that it was offer selected with success, offre something. And then after you select something, you click next. So you put one word in and click search, and then maybe you check these boxes on all the ones that you want your ad to appear on, maybe. I'm just guessing. And then submit. Now exactly what's happening, I don't really know, because, well, I don't have any training, so I'm guessing here. Here's test 4. So if we click on any of these, if you're signed into your Facebook account or whatever, it'll open a post, and you can post the link for the sites or one of the sites or something. Let's just preview this. So, or here, let's do this. Let's copy the URL for the campaign, and let's go to a blank page and just see what it looks like. Oops. I mean, I guess that happens, huh? Well, maybe if I hit preview here. Well, that's kind of a downer when it just doesn't work. Here, let's try one of these ones above. How about I click, copy the URL, paste it in. Okay, so here we are. I could skip the offer, it says, or I could send it off to promote it here. Click here to get a t-shirt. it took me to Teespring. No, and I got to log in. I don't know what to say here. Okay, so, and if you create your own campaign custom, and let's just go into one of these. So we click preview. All right, that's the jokey thingy. Let's see if we can edit it, just out of curiosity. General. Okay, so you can put in the different links and stuff. Get your t-shirt now. So I mean, you can put some stuff here and everything, and it'll generate a page, but I don't know where the page lives and stuff. And just because you can put your affiliate link into something, like if I had a list of 10 ClickBank items that you could promote, if I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing, I'm going to tell you go to each vendor and their product in ClickBank and go to their affiliate page, because they'll have some way to tell you how they would like for you to promote their stuff. And also, by the way, they'll tell you how you are not supposed to promote their stuff. And so if I tell you I'm going to put your ID on 100 things, how do you know if I'm promoting your stuff correctly or not for you? Because one of the things that happens if you promote stuff wrong is you don't get commissions. But I don't see anything about any of that here in any place, in any shape, in any form. I'm just clicking on stuff here, accounts. So you can add your accounts here, and maybe if you have your accounts here, you can promote the stuff. So here's promote. So you could select stuff and select accounts, and it's just going to go to them somehow. Where am I at on all of this? It says it's for anyone who wants to make money online, especially for beginners, right? I mean, the sales page is about how easy it is to use and easy training and everything. But I don't see any training. It's a normal sales page. I give it that, with little clarity of what you're really purchasing. It seems to sell me on a dream more than a tool, like to explain to me what I'm buying and everything. Maybe the training comes to you if you purchase the product, but I didn't see any at all as I'm recording this or anything. To me, this seems to be saying if I put my affiliate info into their system and trust the app, that it will push out these pages in front of a lot of people, and then I'll make money. But I've never seen an app that does this that I've tried in the past make me any money, except making money for the person selling the app to me. So I'm going to say I pass on this, and I don't recommend it to anyone, especially people who are new to online marketing and online businesses. If you're interested, I do have some information in the description below the video and everything. There is a place that has free training online, and it's actually good training where you can start learning how to build an actual good business that could become something. Now, there are a lot of different businesses and kinds of businesses and ways to make money online. This is going to talk about one in particular. I also have a link to some other training about funnels and stuff. And it's not like you have to have special software or anything to create funnels or to understand marketing and stuff like that. As far as this app, I hope that I've saved you some time, and maybe I've saved you some money. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, put them below and I'll respond to you myself. And please subscribe to my channel.